like a motorist's dream of heaven, the motor show at Earls Court. The new Rover model took the eye when Pathe previewed the show before the official opening. But more than 200 cars competed for attention. The cutaway twin-camshaft MGA laid bare all the works, while a gold-plated Austin Healey with mink seat covers adds a touch of luxury to motoring. The home cruiser on an Austin chassis gives caravan comfort without having to tow anything. Plenty of headroom and an excellent cooker. No need to worry if hotels are full. The smallest caravan can be towed by a bubble car, apparently roomy enough, in fact, a marvel of space saving. Mind your head when you get out. But if you do hanker for something a shade larger, there's the Beverly Supersize, bigger than some flats. With a full-size bathroom, a single bedroom, and a large double, the Beverly really does amount to home comfort on the road. The show's most expensive car is the Rolls-Royce convertible. Sign a check for just over £8,300, and there's no need to fear a rainy day. Before we say goodbye to all this, there's the Aston Martin. In the right sort of place, it'll do 140 miles an hour. If you want more, try the Comet.